Here are some tips for terrific tasting tomatoes. Make sure you don't put your tomatoes outside until the nighttime temperatures are over 10 degrees Celsius. Tomatoes don't like overhead watering. Even if you have a little umbrella for them on your deck, that's fine. They don't like our wet spring weather. So make sure you keep them in a covered area and water them at the base, not from above. When you plant your tomatoes, remove the lower leaves and plant them right up the stem. They're one of the few things that you can do that. In between all the hairs, you're going to see little roots emerge, so you're going to get that much more rooting. A lot of people have good luck with planting them at a 45-degree angle. You can do that. They will straighten up. Tomatoes appreciate a full sun position with well-drained soil, and they do love some fertilizer or compost. Ripening temperatures matter for tomatoes. It takes between 40 and 50 days to ripen the larger tomatoes. If that temperature goes above 30 degrees Celsius during that time, those tomatoes pause in their growth. So if last summer you had a lot of mealy and tasteless tomatoes, it wasn't the variety, it wasn't your fertilizer, it was the temperatures getting above 30 degrees Celsius. That caused the ripening to stall. So when you got them off the plant, finally, they were very mealy and tasteless, and that was just the temperature.